sent you the goals and performance material, right, guys? So let me send the goals and performance management material to you, and then I'll start the session, guys.
What is the session for the day?
We'll be starting with the goal management and performance management, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I have a quick question. Can you form us into a group so that we can practice together?
Yeah, I'll look into it, Radhika. I cannot say yes to that immediately, but let me look into it, Radhika.
Morning, Raghu.
Hey, Samir, good morning.
Raghu, my business data model has not been updated yet. Are the users done with theirs? So I can just go and check mine.
I'm not getting you, Samir.
I have checked my data model. I had sent it to you. It was uploaded. It was fine. Then I had created one to check the pick lists that I had created.
Okay.
But I think
No,
other people's data model was loaded.
I loaded Smita data model, Samir. I'm just waiting for her inputs. Once she's done, right, I'll go ahead and load your data model, Samir.
Okay.
What I'll be doing, like, guys, I'll be sending you both the performance and compensation material.
Raghu, due to some internet problem, please provide recording for today.
Yeah, I'm not pretty sure, guys, because in yesterday also in my weekend batch, the recorder it was done recording, but when I tried to convert, right, it failed, guys. I'll try to do that, but if it doesn't work, I cannot help you out, Tarun. You see here, this was the weekend batch one, and when I'm trying to convert it, right, it is erroring out. I don't know why it is. You see here, so I'll do that, guys. But Tarun, let me compensation.
Raghu, what about my missed sessions? Paresh over here.
Varish, I'll answer your question, Varish. I saw your email.
Okay.
Let me reply to that, Varish.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, sure, Varish.
What is the topic today, Raghu?
We'll be starting with the goals and performance management, guys.
Raghu, once again, my user ID has been locked, Raghu.
Oh, yeah, let me look into it, Suresh.
Okay, thank you.
Just a second, guys. Let me send this to you, then I'll start it. Oh.
Raghu, I was trying to get in touch with you over the weekend. Can we talk after the session for like 10 minutes?
What did it, Samir?
Hello? I'm saying I was trying to get in touch with you on the weekend, but I think probably we're busy. I couldn't reach out to you. Can we talk after 10 minutes after the session for 10 minutes? I had a few things that I want to talk to you about.
Yeah, let me schedule some time, Samir. After the session, I don't think so. I'll be able to spare some time. Let me schedule something
Okay.
tonight.
Okay.
Yeah, then we can talk about that, Samir.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So I sent you the goals, performance, and the compensation material, guys. So what we'll be starting in today's session is like we'll be working on the uh, goal management, performance, and especially how we'll go ahead is like we'll be looking at activating the goal management module. What are the different switches that are available for us in the provisioning system? We'll go ahead and activate that, and I'll explain you like what are the different things, important things in your goal management that needs to be activated in the provisioning system, and what kind of functionality that you are going to gain with that. We'll be having a look at that, and then we'll be looking at the templates, guys. How your templates, the goal plan template, can be created. What are the different ways to create your goal plan template and the different sections of your goal plan template? That is what we are going to have a look at, guys. So, with respect to your success factors goal management, success factors goal management module will enable employees and managers of the organization to align individual goals with the company objectives. At the same time, they can assign some individual goals as well, guys. Either it can be aligning or assign cascading the organization goals to the employees, or creating some individual goals and assigning them to the employees. Both the things can be done with your success factors goal management, guys. Okay, and with respect to the success factors goal management, most of the clients or the customers, they implement goals and performance together, guys. 99% is they don't go just for the goal management module, but most of them, the moment they go for goal management, right, they'll also implement the performance management of success factors for their organization, guys. Okay, and with respect to the process, how the implementation process goes on is basically during the time of implementation, we follow goal template process, and as a first thing, you activate total goal management in provisioning system. It is nothing but you are activating the goal management module in the provisioning system, guys. And the second thing is going to be like the moment you activate it, right, we go ahead and create template uh, based on the requirement, guys, whether it is one template in 6 months or one template in a year. So it depends on like your organization process, how frequent is that you want to carry out your employees goals and performance evaluation. That many times you'll be creating the template, guys. Okay, and your success factors in success factors goal or objective means one and the same thing, guys. You can use the term goal or objective synonymously in your success factor system, guys. Okay, and with respect to these goals and performance management, even though they go hand in hand, you need to do the integration between your goals and performance plan templates, so that your goal plan template can be integrated with your performance plan template in your success factor system, guys. That's the integration piece. I'll tell you how to do that. There are different ways how you can integrate that, but yes, we have to do the manual integration between your goal plan template and your performance plan template, guys. Okay, and saying that, let me log into the instance. Okay, so your goal plan template, an individual can access the goal management, performance management from their home drop-down menus. And as we have seen earlier, we have forms being displayed in these inboxes, right? Let me click on this goal plan, guys. These are your, you can see here, all these are the goal plan templates that are configured are available in our SuccessFactor instance, and you will be able to see goals under in this particular goal plan templates, guys. Okay, and you see here there are a lot of features like a mass assign goals, cascading of your goals, adding new goals, and display only. And you can see right now you are looking at HR admin goals, and if you want to look at your team members, you can go ahead and have a look at the views, the goals of your team members as well. And in addition to that, you can see status report, execution map, meeting agenda. They are the part of your goal execution. Goal execution is something like an opt-in feature which was released in 1408 release, guys. I'll tell you what is the use of the goal execution in your SuccessFactors goal management. Basically, it's a kind of like monitoring tool where if you want to monitor the status of the goals, and if you want to set up meetings with your team members, you will be able to do that kind of activities using the goal execution process, guys. Okay, we'll have a look at that particular thing in probably in tomorrow session. But you can see this is how your goals are going to be displayed, right? And at the same time, we all know that how your performance model is going to look like. Let me click on performance, and you can see all these are the performance plan template. But when you look at any of these performance plan templates, you can see some goals already available inside that particular performance plan template, right? Let me open that, guys. You see, you have performance goals and you have core values and competencies, all these things. So, but you see, you have goals being displayed in your performance plan template as well. How these goals are being displayed in your performance plan template is because of the integration that we are going to do with respect to the goal plan template and the performance plan template, guys. Okay, and we all know that this is your roadmap, and your rating scales will be displayed here. Okay, let me go ahead and activate. Our first thing is I'm going to do is like deactivate the complete goal management module and the performance modules in your provision system. Then I'll show you how the system is going to look like. After that, I'll activate each feature one by one, guys. Let me,
Raghu, I have a quick question.
yeah, Sunil.
So this performance and goals management, you're going to do simultaneously, or first we
Yeah,
do goal, then we do performance?
no, we'll do simultaneously. I cannot segregate as separately. We'll do hand in hand, guys. It will go. Yeah. Right now, you can see your goals and performance management models are active. And what I'll be doing is like, let me go ahead and deactivate these modules, guys. Let me log into my provisioning system. So now you are in the SuccessFactors provisioning system homepage, and you have to go to company settings, guys. So click on this company settings. Yeah, let's search for something like sorry, guys. Goal, yeah, goal framework, guys. And this is the place you can see, guys. This is the place where your goal management related switches are being displayed, guys. And you want to let me go ahead and deactivate all of them. Let me click on save. I'm just deactivating the performance management as well, guys. These are ad hoc reports. Okay, let me go ahead and save these changes.
Raghu, have you deactivated performance as well?
Yes. Let me check, guys, whether changes whatever we did in the provisioning system. It might take 1 or 2 minutes to reflect into your instance, guys. It's not yet deactivated, guys.
Raghu, quick question. Have you deactivated the chat or is just my system not working?
No, I don't think it is not working. I'm not sure who asked this question, but somehow it is not working, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, yes. I'll come back to the performance. Performance is not deactivated completely, but you can see your goal management is deactivated and you are not able to see any of the configuration options, and the module is deactivated here. So this is how your system is going to look like when you're going to implement the goal management module or performance management module, and we have to activate the corresponding module in the provisioning system as a first thing, guys. Okay, and how you are going to activate that is you have to again log into your provisioning system. In your provisioning system or account, go to your company settings and search for your goal framework, and in this place you can see click on this goal management suite, guys. This is the mandatory switch that we need to activate with respect to the complete goal management module to be activated in your SuccessFactor instance, guys. Okay, and this is called that it should be the goal management should be the latest one is total goal management, guys. Don't use basic or advanced, you have to select the total goal management. So with this you're going to activate the goal management module in your for your organization, but on top of that the different features or the opt-in functionalities being provided by SuccessFactors are like this, guys. Okay, so make sure this is going to be activated, and after that make sure your total goal management version 10 UI, which means that the UI behind your goal management is going to be controlled using this total goal management version 10 UI, guys. It's not the complete goal management module, but just the total goal management. The functionalities being provided by total goal management is going to be the UI is going to be provided by this one, guys. Okay, and this goal transfer wizard, again it's an optional thing, guys. And how this goal transfer wizard is helpful is, say you have couple of different templates. Say let me take the scenario of, say you have a goal plan template 1 and you have a goal plan template 2. Say because of some reason you want to copy the goals defined under the goal plan template 1 to goal plan template 2. So you define the goals, maybe long back you have defined the goals under goal plan template 1, but you want to utilize the same goals or copy a couple of goals from goal plan template 1 to goal plan template 2. So in order to do that transfer of the goals from one goal plan template to another goal plan template, you have to make sure, yes, if such kind of functionality is required for our organization, then we have to select this goal transfer wizard, guys. Okay, and make sure you are going to activate my goals tab, because that is how you are going to look at or view your goals. Okay, and goal import option. This goal import option, again, it's an optional thing, guys, but I feel it's a very pretty much important thing that you need to activate, at least for the administrators. It's an important thing, guys. How it is going to help us is, it will help us to import the goals through a CSV file and assign the goals to the required people. Say I have a very big organization, and if I want to assign the goals in a mass fashion, I'll be able to import the goals through a CSV file and assign that to the concerned people in the same CSV file. You have to prepare a CSV file with their usernames and the goal plan ID and the goal definition in the CSV file, and we have to import the CSV file into the system, guys. So that way, this is going to be it's an opt-in feature, but it's more of like a very important tool for the administrators, guys. Okay, enable group goals. If you're interested in using the group goals in your organization, we have to activate the group goals. And the moment you activate the group goals, right, make sure that you are going to activate the enable target population for group goals as well, guys. Okay, and enable group goals push down update for inactive users. If you want to assign these group goals for the inactive users as well, you have to make sure you have to activate this, guys. I'm not going to activate that. It doesn't make any sense for me, guys. And this enable PMGM sync up. So this enable PMGM sync up, whenever you have the performance and goals modules, make sure this switch is activated, which means that, say, you are integrating your performance module and you are integrating or you are calling the goal management module inside the performance management module. Okay, and after integrating that, you might be changing things in your goal plan template that was already integrated in your performance plan template. So in order to automatically sync up the changes that you did in your goal management plan template or goal plan template to your performance plan template, you have to activate the sync up process, automatic sync up process between your goal management module and performance management module, guys. Okay, and this is to enable goal management vtool is the version of your uh, goal management module, guys. The complete UI, the drop down list, everything is going to be controlled using your goal management vtool, which is, you can see, it's a subset of your revolution. The whole UI is going to be controlled with your version 12 UI framework, right? Revolution. So the specific things to your goal management module is your enable goal management v12 version, guys. Okay, and enable target population of group goals assignment based requires. If you are activated role based permission, right, you have to go ahead and activate these things for the target population with respect to your group goals, guys. Let me activate that. It doesn't cause any harm, guys. Okay, so these are the things, and you can see a couple of them are mandatory and a couple of them are optional, and based on your organization requirements, we have to activate the corresponding switch in your provisioning system, guys. Let me go ahead and save this. Okay, and we activated the module, right, the goal management module, but we need to activate something else, guys, for your reporting purpose, where if you want to if you are interested in activating, or if you are interested in reporting this goal management data within your workforce analytics, then we have to enable the reporting on your goal management module with respect to the, especially with respect to the ad hoc reporting, guys. So that particular piece you are going to do in your ad hoc report builder. Yeah, you can see, guys, in your ad hoc report builder, if you are interested in doing reporting using the goal management, make sure that you are activating. Yes, you activated the ad hoc report builder, and at the same time, if you are interested in doing reporting on the goal management data, you have to activate this goal management switch here, guys. Okay, and it was already activated, guys. I'm just showing you. Make sure this is going to be activated under the reporting under your workforce analytics ad hoc report builder, guys. So with that, we activated the goal management module in your SuccessFactors provisioning system, guys. Let me go ahead and log into the instance, and I'll show you. By this time, it should be coming up. And there is one more thing, guys. I forgot to show you. With respect to your goal execution, I told you goal execution is an opt-in feature, right? You see here, configure goal execution. So if you are interested in using this goal execution process, you have to activate this goal execution map, status report, and meeting agenda, guys. Okay, and make sure that these are activated in your provisioning system, and then you will be able to see. Say if I'm not interested in using these things, let me deactivate this. I'll activate this probably tomorrow, guys, when we are going to work on the goal execution. Yeah, let me log into the instance. Let me go to the administration tools. Now you can see your goal management is back, guys, and you have all the configuration, goal import options, and your manage templates option, transfer goals between users, and email notification templates, import export user and goal plan permission association. So all these things, who can access which goal is going to be maintained in the import export user and goal plan permission association, guys. Okay, and this is how it is going to be, guys. You activated the goal management module in your provisioning system, and we verified the module is available in your instance, and you will be able to do the further configuration. The second thing is going to be your permissions. Being an administrator, you need to have admin rights to the goal management module in order to configure the goal management module or the performance management module, guys. So where you are going to grant your permissions with respect to the goal management module and performance management module is, go to your administrative domain privileges. If it is an administrative domain privilege security framework, click on, you can see here, guys, under your set user permissions, click on this administrative privileges, and this is the place where we are going to grant the privileges to the users, guys. Click on this HR admin, and you have, yeah, you can see manage goals. Click on this manage goals, and you need to have access to these things. At the same time, you need to have access to form template administration as well, guys. So it's not only your manage goals domain, at the same time you need to have form template administration as well, guys, because your goals and performance and your compensation, anything in your SuccessFactors system is dependent on the template, right? In order to configure the template, you need to have access to these things. As you can see, creation of form templates, creation of route maps, rating scales, mass create of your form instances, and all these things, setting goals, mass scheduling, all these things are related to your templates, guys. So make sure these are activated and available in your administrative domain privileges, guys. And if it is your role-based permission framework, and you can see customer performance reporting. So say if it is your role-based permission that is activated in your SuccessFactors provisioning system. So how you are going to grant the permissions to the goals and performance management module? Let me activate the role-based permission framework in your system, guys. Then I'll show you the security piece behind that.
Raghu, there is a lot of disturbance is coming.
Yes. One second, guys. Is this fine now, guys, or do you still see some noise?
Is okay.
Okay. Okay. Let me go to the company settings and let me activate RBP, guys. RBP. Click on save feature. Click on confirm.
Raghu, again noise started.
I don't know. Apart from the ceiling fan, nothing is there, guys, here. Hello? Does my voice is clear, guys?
Voice is clear now.
Okay. Okay. Let me go ahead and I activated the role-based permission framework in your provisioning system, right? Let me show you the permissions, how you are going to grant the permissions in your role-based permission framework for your performance and goal management module, guys. And go to your admin tools. Now if you go to your manage permission roles and click on one of those things, guys. Click on permissions and your goals you see here. Okay, these are the permissions. Let me grant everything and let me click on another thing, guys. You see here, manage goals. These are for administrator, guys. Okay, this is how your goal management permissions are going to be activated. And with respect to the performance, we only need to have the form template settings, creation of new templates in your organization, deleting the templates and editing the templates. That's the permission that you need, guys, and those things are already granted in your administrative domains. And here you will be able to find that form template settings. Yeah, you can see manage form templates. You'll be able, you need to have access to these things. It's pretty similar, one way of doing things in your administrative domain security framework. And when you look at your RBP, this is more of like an organized thing, guys. So these are the permissions behind your performance and goal management, guys, that you need to activate. Let me click on save. Okay, now if you go to your admin tools, now you have access to these settings under your goal management model, the configuration options behind your goal management module, guys. Okay, And coming to the second thing during your implementation process is setting up your goal plan templates. Okay, how your goal plan templates are going to be created or edited in your SuccessFactors system is there are two different ways how you can create your goal plan templates in your organization, guys. Yes, the goal plan template is going to be configured by the SuccessFactors consultant, and there are two different ways how the consultant or the administrator can create goal plan templates in your organization, guys. One is through the XML files, the goal plan template can be created. The other one is from your instance using the UI tool, the user interface tool itself, you will be able to create the goal plan template and performance plan template in your organization, guys. Let me show you the XML file part first, and then I'll show you the how you can create your goal plan template or performance plan template from your instance using the UI. So in order to have a look at the goal plan template XML file, you have to log into your provisioning system, guys. Let me log into the provisioning system. Here, the moment you logged into your provisioning system or account, search for something called as like a form template settings, guys, or form set administration. You can see, click on this form template administration. Okay, not this one, guys. 1 second. Yeah, you see, managing goal plan template, import export goal plan template. This is the option, guys. That option, form template administration, is for your performance and compensation, guys. They work a little bit different than your goal plan template. You can upload the template and import the template from your instance itself, guys. But your goal plan template needs to be uploaded or edited, downloaded from your provisioning system only, guys. Click on this import export goal plan template, and you see these are the different goal plan templates that are configured or available in our instance, guys. Okay, and the ones that are active, right, which are marked as active here, they are the only ones which are going to be used in your SuccessFactors instance to launch the goals or integrate the goal plan template with your performance plan template. That's the one which is going to be utilized across your organization, guys. Okay, and this is going to be the default one. Usually in any during any performance cycle or your during your goal plan period, you're going to activate one module as a one goal plan template as a default one. So whenever users log into their corresponding goals or performance module, they'll have a look at, by default, that template is going to be available in their corresponding modules inboxes, guys. Okay, and you see you will be able to export the existing goal plan template. Let's say you can see this is your goal, one of the goal plan template. If you want to export the existing goal plan template, you can just click on export goal plan template, and the XML file is going to be available in your desktop, guys, on your desktop or on your machine. Okay, and how this goal plan template, let's say if you want to create a new brand new goal plan template, I'll talk about the different sections in your goal plan template in a minute, guys. But if you are interested in creating a new goal plan template, how you are going to import the goal plan template into your provisioning system is you have to get the standard SuccessFactors provided goal plan templates, and then you have to import that into your provisioning system. And once the import has been done, right, later you have to start configuring the goal plan template XML file as per your requirements, guys. Okay, let me I hope I already have a goal plan template. Okay, I have the goal plan template, guys, here. Let me go ahead and load this goal plan template into my provisioning system, and I'll show you how it is going to work, guys. And the important things that you need to remember here is I'll talk about that in a minute, guys. Your goal plan ID, guys. You see here, this is the very important thing, guys. I'm not okay. Let me import this goal plan template. So how you are going to import or create a new goal plan template if you have a standard XML file provided by your SuccessFactors. So how you will be doing that is you again go to your import export goal plan template. See here, import export, import update or export goal plan template. Click on that. And here this is the place where you are going to upload a new goal plan template into your SuccessFactors provisioning system, guys. Click on this choose file, not that one, guys, sorry. Let me go to my desktop, and this
Raghu,
is
where's the standard XML file for goal plan template on the screen? From where can we download the standard one?
no, that is already available on my desktop, guys, but usually you will get it from the SuccessFactors partner community or your developer community, guys, or if you have contacts with the support team, they'll be able to give you the latest data model, guys. Sorry, not the data model, latest template, guys. Okay, and you can see just provided some description for this goal plan template. Let's say
Raghu, is there some way we can directly put in the company's template?
company's template.
Yes, Raghu.
What does it mean? Like, does it mean already configured template?
Most of the companies, any big company, I'm sure, will have their own template, performance management template, goal templates.
No, no,
So
no,
can we take
no,
the
no,
existing template and use it
no,
rather
no,
than modify something to
no,
get
no,
to that?
no, Radhika. SuccessFactors doesn't understand that. You have to configure your goal plan template in this XML file format only.
Thank you.
Yeah. Let's say it is going to be June 2015 goal plan template, and click on upload, guys. Okay. So your goal plan template has been uploaded, and you see here, this is the ID, guys. In our previous session, someone is asking like how uniquely you can identify your goal plan template or performance plan template. Like each template is going to have a unique number associated to that, guys, and we have full control what numbers should be assigned to what template. In the template itself, we can configure the numbers. As you can see, your standard goal plan template is the one that we imported, guys. Okay, and these standard goal plan templates comes from your go to your template, and there is a field called as name, guys. Objective plan name, you see here, objective plan name, that is the one which is going to be coming on your provisioning system, guys. Let's say if you are not
Raghu,
interested in,
I can't see your screen, Raghu. Raghu, I can't see your screen. It's muted.
yeah, you see, you go here, guys, objective plan name in your goal plan template. If the moment you open your goal plan template, you see objective plan name on the left hand side, and this is the name of your goal plan template. As you can see, objective plan name, standard goal plan template is the one that currently being assigned here, right? Say if I'm interested in naming it as a different thing, let me go ahead and change the name. Let's say it is June 2015 goal plan template. Okay, that's the name that I'm interested in using in my system, guys. Whatever the things that you will provide in your provisioning system, they will be automatically reflected to your instance, guys. Let me show you that particular piece. So this is the name that I'm interested in putting to my goal plan template. Let me upload this into your provisioning system, guys. I can just go ahead and override it, guys, because the ID remains the same thing, right? In your template as well as here one. So I can just go ahead and override that. It will override the existing goal plan template, guys. This is the one, and I can just go ahead and keep something here, 2015 goal plan template.
Raghu, can you once again also show that where was the ID maintained?
Yeah.
Raghu, this is Rajiv. Can we change the name in the table view? Hello?
Yeah, I'm going there, Rajiv.
Thank you.
Yeah, now yes. Let me select this and go to your table view. You have to find that, guys. And you see here, objective plan name. Yes, if you are interested, we can just go ahead and change the name in your table view as well, guys. Okay. And let me
And the
go.
ID can also be changed.
Yeah, anything, guys. Okay. So let me keep it
Objective
one.
So
plan
Raghu,
I
ID
just
it's
want to override that.
Raghu, so it's not automatically done. You have to do it manually.
This objective plan ID.
No. In the table view,
Hmm.
the things we have to do it manually rather than automatically happens.
What is automatically going to happen, Sunil?
No. I mean to say, like, if you want to change the name, right? You change the name.
Hmm.
So in the table view, we have to go and change it manually,
Correct.
or it.
No, XML we are going to edit it manually, right?
Okay.
The complete XML we are doing it manually, right? We are not doing it automatically. There is no the way how you can do it automatically, right?
No. I mean to say in XML we are doing manually.
Hmm.
So does it reflect in the table view also automatically, or
Oh,
we have to go and do
okay.
it
You're
manually?
talking about source and table view here.
Yes.
No, it is automatic. The moment you did one time at either of this table view, it is just an optional or one more way how you are going to represent your XML file, guys. Because this makes your life simple, right? You don't need to understand your XML file or XML language and tags, all those things. That is the reason I preferred coming to the table view, and I recommend you to go ahead and use this table view, because you don't need to understand the XML file at all. You can just come here and change the properties without even knowing the knowledge of XML, right? But whatever the changes you do in the table view, they will be automatically reflected to your source. So let's say I'm going to keep it like, okay. So this is the name I provided, right? 2015 Joule goal plan template. If you go to your source view, you see it is going to be automatic, because it is just a
Yeah, that's what I
view.
wanted.
Yeah,
That
it
is
is
the
just
what
a
I want to know after. Thank
representation.
you.
Whether you're doing it in source, if you're comfortable with XML, do it in your source, or if you're not comfortable with your XML, go to table view and change the things here, guys.
Okay, thank you, Raghu.
Oh yeah, sure.
And for this also, Raghu, do we need to keep the DTD file in the same folder or something like that?
Yeah, you have to include a DTD file in the same folder, guys. I downloaded that. Let me get that DTD file, guys. Yeah, here it is. Hold on a minute. Where it is. And this is the DTD file, guys. And you have to go ahead and incorporate your DTD file in your XML or XML file, guys. You can see this is the one that you need to override. Let me do that, guys. I'll do that in a minute. Let me finish understanding this goal plan template, and then we'll move on to that particular piece, guys. And I renamed the goal plan template to 2015 June goal plan template, right? Let me go ahead and load this. It's kind of like you already loaded a template with the same goal plan ID, right? Objective plan ID 1. You see, there is already a goal plan template with goal plan template ID 1. Then you are going to import the similar, the same template, another template with the same goal plan ID, which means that you are doing an update to the existing goal plan template, guys. You're not creating a brand new template here. Remember that. And let me save these changes here. And I'm going to import this goal plan template into the system, guys. Goal plan template, and you can provide any name that you're interested, guys.
Raghu, in the XML file, it says that the DTD file does not exist or something, or not found.
No, I didn't include that,
Does that mean
Samir. I'll do that. I'll do that, Samir. Yes,
that means that if we don't, still we can use it?
see, DTD file is just a supporting file. It's not a mandatory that we need to include, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is the one that we just imported into the system. As you can see, 2015 Joule goal plan template. Yes, we imported that 2015 Joule goal plan template into your provisioning system, and you see here it is available in your provisioning system now. Let me go ahead and save these changes. And now if I log into my instance, I should be able to find this goal plan template in my instance as well, guys. So where you will be able to find this goal plan template in your instance? Let me log into the instance. I'll show you that.
Raghu, I am having a question here.
Go ahead, Paresh.
Yeah. Before we download the templates, but we need to first check what is that templates contain.
No, I'll
Okay,
show you
what is
because I'll show you. I'll make you understand what the template is going to have inside that. But I'm following this implementation sequence. Usually, say if you are activated your goal plan template, then you're going to create your template. I'll make you understand what are the different sections that are available in your goal plan template. We'll configure that completely, Paresh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we'll do that. It's there in the agenda, Paresh.
So Raghu, we have to upload the file in the provisioning system, not in the instance, correct? For goals.
Correct. For goals, the goal plan template should be imported or exported in your provisioning system, guys. We don't have any other way of doing that. But overall creation of your templates, we have two different ways, guys. As I told you, one is through your goal plan template XML file, where you will be importing, exporting in your provisioning system. And the other way is your creating the goal plan template from your instance itself using the UI, guys, user interface itself. Okay, so we are working on the first part where we are creating a goal plan template using the XML file. Okay, and go to your goal plan template now and click on this manage templates. And click on this goal plan here, and you see 2015 June goal plan template is the one that we created in your provisioning system, guys. Notice, guys, this is the one that we created in the provisioning system, and we make it as default, and that's the one we are seeing here. Let me click on this 2015 June goal plan template, what it is going to have inside that. The easiest way how you can understand your goal plan template rather than looking at your XML file is this one, guys. You see here the name of your goal plan template, and if you want to keep some instructions to your users on the start date, end date of your goal process, and you see smart goal wizard. It is nothing but how you can create your goals is you have a wizard called a smart goal wizard, but with respect to these template 2015 Joule goal plan template, if you are interested in using this smart goal wizard, yes, you have to activate this. If you are not interested adding goals through the smart goal wizard in the goal plan for this goal plan template, you have to deactivate that, guys. Let me activate it. I'll show you how the tool is going to look like, the smart goal wizard. After that, I'll deactivate it again, guys. And you can see you have goal categories, the different categories. We can go
Raghu,
and create our
can you do one thing? In the name, go to the general settings, please. Yeah. Can you just go to the name? Default. Oh, okay. Okay, proceed. Please proceed. I had a question. That's okay. Move.
Okay, you have categories. If you are interested in creating a new category also, you will be able to go ahead and create new categories. And you can see, click on add new category. This is how you are going to create new categories in your goal plan template, guys. We'll do that, all those things. And yes, your goal plan template is going to have a couple of fields, guys. And all these fields, even you have custom fields as well, and standard success factors provided fields. And if you are going to activate the goal execution, you will see a couple of more fields being displayed here, guys. Okay, you see overall your goal plan template is nothing but you have some general settings, you have categories and fields inside that. So at a high level, this is what you are going to have in your goal plan template, guys. So if you understand these things, then I can easily correlate, or you can easily understand your XML file, guys. That is the reason I didn't jump down to the XML file first thing. You will be scared if I open the XML file to understand that, guys. But if you see from your UI, you see it's pretty simple. It has some general settings, it has some categories, goal categories, and then it has some fields that you are interested to display in your goal plan template. Okay, and this is how you are going to create your goal plan template from your provisioning system using the goal plan template XML file. The first part, guys. And the second way how you can create your goal plan template is in your instance. From your instance itself, you will be able to create the goal plan template from the instance UI itself without knowing the knowledge of XML, or without, you don't need to generate an XML file with that process, guys. So in order to create a new goal plan template from your instance using the UI, how you are going to do that is, again, go to your goal management, because you are interested in creating the goal plan template. Go to your goal management module under your administration tools, click on this manage templates, guys. Click on this manage templates, click on this goal plan, and here you see there is an option called as add new template. Okay, with this, click on this add new template, and you see here from your standard SuccessFactors library, you will be able to import the goal plan template, guys. And you see you have two, at a high level you have, these are the different languages, guys. At a high level you have two different goal plan templates, guys. Okay, and the description will help you to identify that. Let's say if you are interested in adding the basic goal plan template to your SuccessFactor instance. So let's say it is going to be June 2015 goal plan template from library. Click on save. Okay, again, if you notice, guys, general settings and your dates and smart goal wizard, click on categories. You can see right now you are only seeing this goals category, only one category. And if you're interested in adding a new category, you can just go ahead and add a new category as well as, and your fields. And you can see that this way, when you're trying to add it from SuccessFactors library, you see only few fields, right? If you're interested in adding few more, you can just go ahead and add those fields from here itself, guys. You can go ahead and add custom fields as well. A number of custom fields can be added, guys. Okay, so let me save this. Okay, now you created the goal plan template from your instance, right? So say if people, like, you created it from your instance, but at a later point of time, if you want to work on the same goal plan template using the XML file, okay, how you are going to get the XML file for this goal plan template which you created from the instance? By default, when you create any template, an XML file is going to be automatically generated in your SuccessFactors provisioning system with respect to your goal plan templates, guys. Let me show you. We created this June 2015 goal plan template from library, right? There, by this time there should be an XML file available in your provisioning system, guys. Let me log into the provisioning system, guys.
Raghu, in your previous screen, there is an XML file, something down. What is that? SK training XML?
No, I'm not getting Sunil.
In the same screen, there is an file XML, see, SK training, and on the left-hand corner down.
Oh, this was the downloaded one. Let me show you. I'm there. I'll go in there. Let me go to import export goal template. You see, this is the one, import export, click on that. And this is the one that I downloaded, as you can see, SK training goal plan template.
Okay.
Yeah. So when I download that, right, you see here, I click on export, you will see a download here. That is what it is.
Okay. Sorry for interrupting.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. You see, your 112, this is the June 2015 goal plan template from library being added to your SuccessFactors browsing system automatically. If you want to customize this by exporting the XML file, yes, you will be able to do that. Click on export. Let me put it in somewhere here, guys. And you can see these are the name and the goal plan ID. This is very important, guys. Even in your integration, this objective plan ID is going to play a vital role during your integration process as well, guys. Just remember that. I'll show you how to integrate that. And you see here all the different things, like this is the best thing how you can navigate through these things, guys. Your goal plan name and description, and last modified by the start date and due date, and add wizard. You can see if you want to use your smart goal wizard, see your smart goal wizard is coming up with this tag, guys. So if I'm not interested in using the smart goal wizard at all in my template, I can just go ahead and use this, delete this template. This is delete this tag, smart goal tag, guys. Okay, and lot of other things around your field definitions, your categories. Let me show you these categories. You see, with this template we have only one category, goals, right? If you want to have a new category, you can just go ahead and copy this category and change the labels, guys. Let me do that. Okay, and this might be like, say, revenue. Okay, and I'm not interested in other languages. Let me save this. I'll go ahead and upload this at a later point of time. Let me navigate through this file and your field definitions. You see here the different fields. You can see the fields are coming up from these XML files, and your permissions, who can access, what an employee can access, what a manager can access. You can just go ahead and put their role names here. We'll do that. Either you can put a star here, or E. You can see the E is nothing but employee, EM is nothing but employee manager, E is nothing but again E, and star, you can see star is for everyone in the organization. Okay, and that is how you can see you have a general description of your goal plan template, like a plan ID, name, the dates, and whether you want to use the smart goal wizard or not, and then the categories, and then the fields and their permissions. That is what you have in your XML file, guys. Okay, so we created a goal plan category, right? In the goal plan template we created a new category. Let me go ahead and import this into your provisioning system, guys. So let me browse for the file. It is in the June directory, guys. I'll show you how to add your category from your instance itself, but before that let me go ahead and add the category from the provisioning system using the XML file, guys. No, not that one, guys. 1 second. This one. Upload. Okay, now this got uploaded into your system, right? Let's go back and verify in your instance whether the new category called as revenue has been added to this goal plan template or not. So let me log into the instance here. Go admin tools, and from the admin tools go to goal management, and click on manage templates and click on goal, and this is the one that we just updated, right? We created it from your instance, and then we went to the provisioning system and we downloaded the XML file, and in the XML file we added a category. Let me click on this. New category should be available, guys. You can see there is a new category called as revenue. This is what we added in the XML file. And if you want to add a category from your instance itself, you will be able to do that. Let's say it is going to be okay, and let me save. Okay, now you can see if you go to your categories, there is one more category being added here. So these categories will help you to place your goals under which particular category the goal that we are defining is relevant. Okay, that is how it is going. That is where your categories are going to be helpful, guys. And the same thing with your fields. You can just go ahead and add a field from here itself or from your XML file. And yes, say you created your goal plan templates, and irrespective of whether you created the goal plan template from your XML file through provisioning system or from your instance using the UI, they both work in the same fashion, guys. You don't see any difference with respect to that. Things that you uploaded through the XML file, yes, you can just go come here in your instance and further configure that, or the things that you configure or created a template from your instance, and if you want to configure the XML file at a later point of time, yes, you will be able to do that. Okay, and as I told you, the integration piece between your goal plan template and your performance plan template. Let me show you where you are going to do that integration. Let me get a performance plan template, guys. Let me take it tomorrow, guys, this integration. Let me move on to the instance, and I have a few things to discuss with respect to the goal plan template and the different things that we activated in the provisioning system, guys. Yeah.
Raghu, which one is the best process to do, XML or instance?
No. Yeah, good question, guys. In fact, I thought of telling you. See, we are following this XML, and previously, let's say, at least like 2 years back, we have the only way to create your templates is XML files, and there is no option for us to create the templates from your instance. Always, if you want to do a minor change or if you want to create a template, brand new template, we always need to rely only on the goal plan template XML file, because that's the capability of your system during that particular point of time. But when SAP took over SuccessFactors system, right, they don't want to prioritize this XML, learning this XML, and they don't want to log into the, they want to even reduce the dependency towards the provisioning system, guys. See, if it is only your XML file, the goal plan template XML file, we need to import and export from your provisioning system. In order to do that, consultant needs to have access to the provisioning system, right? And it is a tedious job to maintain two different systems. One is your instance and the similar kind of things again in your provisioning system. So that is the reason they want to ultimately, going forward, they want to get rid of this XML files, guys. That is the reason right now they provided an alternative to create your goal plan template from your instance itself. But when they are going to retire this XML, the goal plan templates creation via XML through your provisioning system, I don't know about that. No one knows that date, guys. But yes, ultimately that is the plan. They don't want to have too many systems, and they want to reduce the dependency towards the provisioning system as well, guys. That is the reason going forward you will see a lot of features which are available in your provisioning system we can do the same configuration from your instance itself, guys.
So best to do from instance is better.
Yeah. Yes, guys, that's correct. Like if you have, even if you don't have provisioning access, right, you can just do it from your instance itself, and it is pretty simple, and the fastest way how you can configure your goal plan template is from your instance itself, guys.
Thank you, Raghu.
Yeah. So let's say you configured a goal plan template and you integrated this goal plan template with one of the uh, performance plan template, and you launch the performance plan template to the end users, then you can just go ahead and assign the goals. Let's say if you want to assign the goals, how you are going to assign the goals to the goal plan template. You see here, your HR admin and you are in the 2015 Joule basic goal plan template. This is the one that we made a default, right? If you remember guys, in the browsing system, I selected a default radio button for the 2015 Joule basic goal plan template, and that is the reason you see the 2015 Joule basic goal plan template is being displayed here, guys. Okay, and you see, if you want to add a new goal to this goal plan template, right now you can see there are only there are no goals being defined here, guys. This is only personal goals and your team goals being displayed here. And if you want to interested in adding a goals or defining goals, click on this add new goal. You can see add a new goal, create a new goal, sorry guys, and goal wizard, the smart goal wizard, this is the one, guys. Okay, and if you want to copy from other goals, I told you in the browsing system today morning when we activated the one of the switches, goal transfer wizard. And when we activated the goal transfer wizard, I told you if you are interested in copying the goals from one goal plan template to another goal plan template, you can use this copy from other goal plan template option, and this is going to be available to you when you activate that switch, the goal transfer wizard switch in your browsing system, guys. Okay, let me show you how these things are going to work. Click on create new goal plan, new goal, and whether you are interested in adding a new personal goal. Let's say if you are interested in team goal, improve some text, guys, description in the mandatory field, and the dates. Click on save. It should be automatically populated. You can see now there is a goal being added here, guys. And these are the fields, guys. As I told you, your visibility, whether it is you are authorized to view it or not, and your goal plan title, metric, start date, due date, action. These are the fields, guys. If you go to your template, you will be able to see these fields, guys. Let me go to my admin tools and I'll show you the fields there itself. Go to goal management, click on manage templates, click on goal plan. Not this one, guys, 1 second. Click on 2015, this one, and now see these are the weightage and your metric description, goal description, and the name of the goal. All these start date, due date. See, due date, start date. All these are the fields coming up from your template itself, guys. So your template is the one which is going to define the layout of your goals, what field needs to be displayed, and how you can add your goals. You see here, add new. Again, let's say be added is through the first option, right? Click on create a new goal. One second, so let me log out, log in. There is some problem with this one. And let me go to the goals. There is some problem with my browser, guys. 1 second. You see here. So this is the one that we had a look at it. That is how we added the improve revenue of division. Let's go to goal wizard, the smart goal wizard, guys. How you are going to add your goals is these are the categories in this template, and click on next. You have to define the goal under this category. Let's say it is going to be, and you can see all these are coming from your goal libraries, guys. If you want to use one of them, yes, you can go ahead and use one of them. Let's say improve communication skills, and how will you measure your goal, whether you are going to measure it quarterly or 6 months once or whatever it may be, and is this goal attainable? Yes. And is this goal relevant? Click on S, and you can do reporting on all these attributes, guys. And your start date, end date, click on next. What is this? Please, description is required. Okay, now you should be able to see a new goal being added to this goal plan template, guys. You see here, improve revenue of division. Okay, let me show you the other piece. Copy from another goal plan, and these are the different goal plans templates that are available in our organization, right? Click on next. Also, you have a couple of more things, guys. And you just need to scroll down, guys. It's not next, it goes to the next step. Let's say I don't know, guys, 1 second. Let me select another one where I can see some goals. So let me select this, guys. Click on next. This is the goal plan template I am using as a source to copy my goals. You can see these are the different goals. And remember, guys, you will be able to copy the goals if they have the same category, guys. I don't think so we have the same category. Let me try one of those things. And now you can see one or more of the cannot be copied because the destination goal plan doesn't have the same matching category. So in your source goal plan template, the goal that you are trying to copy, right, it should belong to the same category as the category that exists in your in your destination goal plan template, guys. Right now you see here we have only two categories. One is your team goals and personal goals as the categories. So when you need to have from the source also, you need to have one of these categories, guys. Then only you'll be able to copy them. Okay. I'll create new categories and I'll try to show you that particular thing probably in tomorrow's session, guys. Also, we have like mass assign cascade of the goals we need to carry out with respect to these things. Then we look at the configuration part with respect to your goal plan template, uploading the goals in a mass fashion and assigning them to the users in a one shot, and the goal execution. We'll look at those things in tomorrow's session, guys.
Raghu, I want to know how does a manager see?
So this is how your manager is going to have a look at the goals, guys. And based on the permission that we are going to assign, right, he has the cascade option where he can go and cascade a goal to his team members. Sorry, cascade, and all his team members can be displayed here. There is some problem with this cascading option, guys. Oh, okay. So to whom you want to cascade? Let's say you are interested in cascading that to a couple of your team members. You can go ahead and click on next. And yes, this is the goal that you are trying to cascade, and that goal is going to be automatically assigned to them, guys. And now you can see this goal, whatever you defined it has been assigned to these guys.
Okay.
Yeah, couple of things. Basically, the template is going to be the same thing for your employees and managers, but you can control this. Manager can see these things or can do these actions through the permissions. Rajiv.
Sunil.
Yeah. Oh, Sunil. Sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah.
So basically, manager is something like a super user kind of thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Let me stop it here for today, and we'll see the rest of the things in tomorrow's session, guys.
Raghu, can you send the recording of this?
Yeah.
Raghu, is it possible to send it to me too? Because for some reason I could not follow few things, so I need to go through it.
Yeah. Let me. Yeah. I'll look into it, guys.
But can you send the recording, Raghu, for this?
Yeah, Rajiv. Rajiv, you already have access to the e-learning, right? No. Oh, okay. No, guys. I just want to emphasize again, guys. If you are interested in all the training videos, right? You can subscribe to this.
Yes.
Guys. You can subscribe to this e-learning, guys. It's my own thing where you can get. You don't need to pay this amount, guys. These are just for the new users who are coming back, coming to me. And if you are interested in all this, basically this is what the training we are doing right now, right? If you're interested in these things, right, you can just subscribe to these things. So you have to pay a nominal fees for that, guys. If someone is interested, right, just drop me an email, guys. I'll be able to send you the details, guys.
Raghu,
Yeah.
I already have all this, but
Yeah.
it is better to follow like today's session because it's better if you send me the
Smita,
recording.
same things has been discussed and the same things are updated on the e-learning portal, Smita.
But how much do we have to pay for this, Raghu?
Ajay, I'll reply to you, Raju.
And Raghu, is the LMS access available?
100 USD, guys. Just no, guys. The LMS access is still not resolved.
Okay.
Can you send the recording for this one for today's session, though?
Yeah.
The other one I'll talk to you about that.
Sure. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. Okay, guys.
Raghu, can you reset my password, Raghu?
Sure, Suresh. Okay, guys. Let me reset your password, guys. Then I'll close the window. If people wants to leave, right, you can feel free to leave, guys.
Raghu, did you receive my email? I'm not sure whether you got a chance to look at it.
Oh, not sure which one you are talking about, Smita.
I sent. It was late night for you, I guess.
Oh, okay. Then no, Smita. I didn't have a look at it. SF at 555, Suresh. SF, uppercase SF at 555.
Raghu, why these passwords keeps on getting
No,
locked?
I know like why it is happening. I'll do the needful, Suresh. I am.
Saturday I tried, Friday I tried, Sunday I tried. This
The
keeps on
problem is
happening.
like people will reset group of users password at the same time, guys. So I have to deactivate that.
You have to make it standard. You have to make it standard because the moment I try to do some practice work,
Yeah.
so
No, that is the problem, guys. I give complete access to people, and somehow I don't say it's a misuse, but they try to practice on that. They'll reset all users' password. And let me deactivate that permission to the users, guys. I'll go ahead and deactivate that permission so that they'll not be able to do it in a mass fashion.
That's good.
Yeah. Now, so far, now you are good, Suresh. Just log in and see if you have any problems.
Yeah. I log in.
Okay,
Thank
cool.
you.
Yeah, okay, guys. Smita, I'll look into your email, Smita, and I'll reply to that. And Smita, also like once you verify your data model, right? Just reply back to me. I have a few other data models that needs to be loaded, Smita.
Yeah, that's what actually I want to tell you. Like I'm done with that, so
Okay.
you can upload any other.
Cool. I load the Samir. You are the one next in the line queue, Samir. I load your Samir and reply to your email, Samir.
Thank you, Raghu. Mine was only a pick list one. I just wanted to check the pick list one.
Sure. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. Okay.
And Raghu, wait for your email. We do a quick thing.
Pardon, Samir?
I'm saying you were talking about a quick session with me or today, right? 10-15
Yeah,
minutes,
I'll
probably on
schedule
the night.
something tonight, Samir.
Thank you, Raghu. That will be
Yeah,
great.
sure.
Raghu, I do have one more question regarding, like, do you have any exercise to do, or like something practice
No,
on?
Smith. At the end of the compensation, I'll give a case study where you have to go to go through all this configuration again as per the requirement that has been provided in that. But I don't have anything handy at this moment with respect to the exercises, Smita.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
So at least I mean the certification regarding, like, related to certification or anything.
What is that, Smita?
Related to certification, do you have any questionnaires or I mean,
I don't know. So, which certification you are talking about? Employee Central or the goals and performance, Smita?
all.
No, I don't have any certification material with respect to the goals and performance, guys. I do have certification questions for your Employee Central and couple of questions on your compensation module, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
So will it be possible to send it for Employee Central and
I'll
other
do that,
one?
Smita. We are not at to that particular thing, guys. I'll do that whenever it is relevant, Smita. I don't know, like if someone has a specific requirement with respect to certification, just drop me an email, guys. I'll be able to share. In fact, that will help you guys because that question, what are the document that I maintained, is keep on updated. See, if you get it today, right, and you feel, yes, you got the material, but it will keep on updated. And say if tomorrow, day after tomorrow, someone is replying to me stating that these are the certification questions they have seen in their certification, I'll be adding those things to the certification document, guys. If you have any urgency around your certification questions, just drop me an email, guys. I'll be able to provide you that.
Okay.
Yeah. Or otherwise, usually I'll do that when we start the employee central module. That is how I'll do the material, guys. When we start a specific module, right, I'll try to make sure I'll give the relevant material to that particular module, and you'll be able to follow that material at that particular point of time, rather than dumping the complete material on your face. And again, people will come back to me asking that which document they need to follow. If I give you the complete documentation, I've seen a couple of instances where people sending me a couple of emails and calling me asking which document that I need to look at it. Yeah, let me keep it simple rather than dumping everything, so that if people can understand. Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Okay, guys. We'll meet in tomorrow session at the same time, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys.
Thank you, Raghu.
Yeah. Thanks, Sunil. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.